I'm back. I had to show you I had a shirt on. And my hair looks busted, so you know what that means. Hair tutorial. But birthday shoot edition. Stay tuned. Shirt because that just was not cutting it. But that's not the only thing I got new. Look at this. Well, I want it to focus. Whatever. It's a Tiffany blue spray bottle. And guess what kind? Oh, shit. Don't tell me this don't work. Oh no. Wait. Don't tell Mom. This is not misting. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Before I freak out. Oh, that's a miss. So I got this new Tiffany spray bottle and this yellow. But okay, we're gonna get right into it. So, I need to do this. I am getting my hair ready for my DIY birthday photo shoot. Well, one of the photo shoots I'm doing for my birthday. This part, I'm just slicking down my hair for the braided ponytail. So if you want actual details on that, it's actually on my page. But yeah, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Actually, no, I'm gonna talk to y'all because I haven't talked to y'all in so long. I know y'all miss me. But yeah, so I'm getting my hair saturated because my hair doesn't do well when it's not. Oh, y'all, I have not done my hair in a minute. What the heck? This shit. Okay, hold on, y'all. And let my baby down. Lay my baby hairs down first. Okay. Okay, so if you want to actually learn my laying down method, I actually have an actual video of how I get my hair sleeky sleek. So if you would like to see that, it will be in the description box below. To actually try something different though, so let's stay tuned. I got this Edge Booster Style Factor, well, Style Factor Edge Booster, but in the, I know y'all see all them hairs. I'm so sorry, y'all. In the stick, and this is Sweet Peach. Why I can't smell it? Hold on. Okay, I smell it now. Y'all, I got scared for a second. I'm like, hold up. Okay, so we just gonna put all that back. Ooh, this actually feels pretty slicky. I actually like this. This is doing good. Okay. Okay, friends. Okay. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay. Now we are going to take the comb again and okay. I'll have to brush through it. I don't think I have to brush, y'all. That thing's slicked. Slicked back. Slicked back like a, I was about to say something stupid, yeah. Okay. Y'all can see that I've been rushing. This ain't even my brush, but we're gonna use it. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to hurry up because I have to hurry up and get my makeup done by Tiana. She is doing me a huge favor, so I appreciate her. But like, if I don't hurry up, that paper might get taken away. So I'm gonna come back and actually do the actual ponytail part with my makeup done, so you guys get a sneak peek. Okay, I will be back to the scheduled program. Ooh, look at it right now. Oh, okay, Slake. Okay, now for the braided part. So I got this, why do I keep doing that? I got this $1.99 hair. It is 26 inches and it's 1B. I really feel like, I don't know what color I am, I don't care. It's 26. I actually want to make it longer, so I might just feed in the other one, but we will see. So this part is actually gonna be quick. So, ooh, I got a big cart just passed. Just seen a big old ASM. Y'all feel like this too thick? Ooh, I kind of like it like this. I like it like that. I kind of like it like that. But okay, I think this might be too thick. Okay, which I have. I don't know, I got a small head. I feel like that's better. Okay, so we are about to take this part. I'm about to coat it with gel. Okay, so I'm using my Shining Gem. You don't want to act right. Yeah. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready to get the braid in? So, okay, I'm gonna take this. Take this. Y'all ready? Gotta hurry up because my hair is a little on the short side. So I have to hurry up and add hair to that. And then add more hair to that. Hold on. Oh, let me get some gel. Gel. Let me put that. Mix that gel with it. And then just keep braiding. Okay. And I, of course, want to make it longer, but I'm gonna secure this a little bit. Could have really saved $1.99. I'm gonna add this piece. Let's see. I just want to see some. Okay, so the way I'm gonna add it is by putting some right there, some right there, and just going. I probably should have did the feeding way, because this probably looked like a big chunky piece being added to my stuff. But hey, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it works, it works. It doesn't, it doesn't. Is it working? Y'all, is it working? It's working. Okay. Hold on. Add some more Shining Gem. For $1.99, this hair feels really, really nice. Like, you know how Kankalon be like scratching you? This thing not scratching. It's giving what it's supposed to give. More Shining Gem. Okay. I kind of want it longer than this. Like, what the heck? Should I add the other piece? Should I add the other piece? Okay, hold on. I think I should. As I should. Cause right now it's, hold on, let me show y'all. Right now it's right here. Oh. I could add them. Might as well, it's my birthday, right? Okay. Hold on. We're just gonna add a little extra gel to this because I want to add the piece right there. Trying to add too, not trying to braid it down too much. Is that my hair, bro? That's my hair. So it's still slick feeding, slick. Let me take this off. Okay, so y'all can see, I'm gonna add a piece right there, and a piece right there, and I'm gonna go.
I mean, if you never had too much gel, but well, yes, you can. Yes, you can. But I thought I would braid not necessarily. Maybe you can. No, I do want the braids to be stiff. Well, I feel like it's not even longer. Like, sometimes I add some more. Add another little 25 piece. I can't see what I'm doing. Hold on. Add another little 25 piece. Oops. Okay, this is the hard part. So, okay, hold on. It might be a little bit. Kind of add less than 25. Add like a 15. Okay, so, now see the braid. I'm gonna add this piece and that piece. Just go. Ain't nothing changed. Still keep that thumb right on my shoulder. Trying to look at it from this angle isn't here. Okay, so that's a little longer. Oh, that thing long, that thing tight. However, I think I want it longer. I'm about to fix that part though, of course. Wait, okay, so I'm gonna make it stop where it stopped. Only because I could probably use this hair for my second stuff. Yes, I'm just gonna braid it all the way down. Man, every time I'm braiding, like a single braid like this, I always want to do like a fishtail. You know what a fishtail is? Probably not. Well, let me braid it, and I will be out.
Go in and like you see like the little parts that are sticking up or like standing out. I'm going to throw some D's on it. I'm just laying out. I'm gonna throw some gel on it.
I wish I would have taken my time on it though. Then we have all these hoops that I'm trying to hurry up.
So, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, get at me. And I'm about to show you guys the full length in this mirror. So hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. So my makeup is done. Now I'm about to go through the ponytail and add like big rhinestones all over. So I'm using hair glue, and I got these beads from Hobby Lobby. This came out of that, and I'll just lay it out. These came out of it. So I'm about to just use the big ones out of this one and put in my hair. So let's go, friends. I'm about to sporadically put them places, so we will see. Ooh. I got it all on my finger. It's gonna dry, but still. Okay, so I am done. This is the finished product of my hair. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I mean, come back, because like, why not? All these little DIY hacks, I say, are pretty cool. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.